Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Automation Anywhere AI agents. With the help of this video, you're going to see the new experience that Automation Anywhere is bringing for you to create an AI agent from within control room. This feature is still in preview. It is not yet GA. However, it is very interesting and very useful feature. Like creating an AI agent within Automation Anywhere is just like creating your taskbot, process, AI skill or API task. It is as simple as that. That's what we are going to look today. Let's go to the computer screen and see all this in action. So before talking about AI agents within Automation Anywhere platform, let's understand a basic components of an AI agent. So what you see in the diagram here is a user request and the user talking to an agent or agent responding to user queries, and with that agent has access to different tools, memory and planning. So agent is like LLM is embedded. One of the model it can use for, it can be a reasoning model or it can be a response model depending on the use case, and then it can plan, the agent can plan, act upon the goal that it had, and then it can have access to the memory, and then you can give exposure to tools. So this is how in general the AI agent looks like. These are the components within AI agent. Now let's talk about Automation Anywhere AI agents. So AI agents are smart self-driven system powered by LLMs. They can understand goals that you set. They can plan the actions and complete tasks on their own. Unlike the traditional rule-based automations or RPA bots, AI agents can use different tools, handle complex workflows, and even work together with other agents to get the job done. So this kind of a scenario we call multi-agent workflows, right? Or multi-agent architecture. AI agents are ideal for scenarios that require dynamic, goal-oriented automation that goes beyond the rule-based processes. If your use case falls under this bracket, then you should use AI agents. Otherwise, if there is no goal-oriented approach or there is no AI driven decision making that is needed in your process, then in that case you shouldn't go with AI agent. You can simple task automation is enough there. The benefits that you get for using AI agents, it's similar to what we discussed. Like AI agents can work independently, get the work done. You can use various tools, access to MCP servers, tools, memory. Then they can handle multi-step tasks, ask for clarification. There can be to and fro communication between agent. So now in this diagram, we will see the components of an AI agent within Automation Anywhere platform. So what you see at the center is AI agent. Then it has access to the tools. What are the type of tools available within Automation Anywhere platform? Then the system prompt, where you can provide the role of the agent, goal it can have, and the action plan that it has. And we get the inputs in a form of a user prompt, system prompt, input variables, and goals and objective. All those can be your input to an agent, and you can expect the output in certain format. There can be output variables, audit logs, task results, and you can also tuck in human in the loop if needed for your agentic automation. So we will see all this in action, how you can build an AI agent using Automation Anywhere control room. So the first step is you log into the control room, and then you see this new little icon and the name called AI agent. Using this, you create an AI agent similar to how you would create a taskbot. Let's go to the control room. So as I was telling, as you log into the control room, you click here and you just click on AI agent, and you just type any meaningful name for your agent and just hit the create button. And as soon as you hit that button, you'll get the option of generate prompt for your agent. So if you type a prompt, and it can, based on this prompt, it can create an agent for you. So I need an agent to evaluate submitted claim and provide a conclusion in a clear and concise report. So this is kind of a prompt. If I use the same prompt, it will create an agent based on this same prompt. Generate. You can skip this also, and you can configure your agent from scratch as well if you don't want to use this feature. What you see is the role of the agent. So this is all the form of these are the components of your prompt. Your role for the agent, what exactly the personality and the role of the agent is, the goal of that agent, and then action plan, how you want this agent to execute the steps. And then you have other options like completed state and failed state, what it means, and if it is cancel state, then what message you want to display. And then here it is a prompt, user prompt option. In the right hand side you see a model connection. You can choose that model from available list of models. Then you have input output variables that you can create and pass. Take input variables you can take, and output variable you can pass on, that agent can refer to like in terms of the output from the agent. And here it is similar to your process composer. The request title you can give while executing, you will see this title. Another option here, there is one more option called tools, where you get an option to add tools to your agent. So as soon as you click on add tool option, let me zoom in a bit. Add tool option gives you an option like add another agent, add a process or a taskbot or API task or a form. You can switch on toggle between human in the loop. If human in the loop is needed for your process, you can toggle this as on, otherwise you can keep it off. So let me just add these agents, these tools. So let me add everything. So in this way, if you add all these, like as part of your requirement or a use case, you need all these as a tool. So you can add them, and respectively you can pick and choose the form that you have developed, the process that you want to use as a tool here, that you can pick it from your control room. So that is how your agent is configured, and you can build it all no code. We have not coded anything as of now here in this interface, right? And from here you can directly run it. So let me cancel this. I built one personal assistant agent here. Generate option here to define your agent and tweak that. So all the role, goal, action plan, everything. And you can also use optimize feature so that your prompt is getting optimized. If you're not satisfied with this prompt, you can click on optimize feature and it will optimize your prompt. So it is asking the existing will be overwritten, existing prompt comments, so it's fine, and it will override them. Here you can see there's a model connection already configured. So I want to build a personal assistant that fetches an information and it summarizes those information and sends back to me in a form of an email or on any chat interface. So the news should be about AI agent and emerging latest technology trends. So similar to that, we have another agent, claims evaluator agent. As the name suggests, it is an claims evaluation. The agent is built for evaluating the claims. So you can see a role here. You can see the goal also. Your goal is to evaluate submitted claims, determines its validity based on the provided information, and then you concise report, deliver a concise report for summarizing the findings and the conclusion. So if you run this, you can run it from here. If everything is configured properly, it will run in this format as a form of a RE process, how we run through RE forms or Copilot forms, right? Similar to that, it will run. And here you will be able to see how the task is running. Currently it will fail because I have not configured all the components within this agent, but I just wanted to show you how the interface, the new interface looks like, and how you can leverage it, how you can build an agent using this new option, and how it will look like. So at this moment, it's a preview environment. Please keep in mind that this is not yet GA. It is not available as a production release, and the interface may change. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much. I wanted to show you this capability, this new upcoming capability within Automation Anywhere platform. Thank you so much.